So the second algorithm, so if we have the right piece on the right corner, so we need to shuffle all the three. So we need to do it the first algorithm to do this. So okay, this is not, they're not on the right side, so we need to do it one more time. Okay, so what this algorithm does is shuffle all the three these pieces to solve the 2x2 Rubik. So we need to do this to shuffle it. So if we do this the algorithm, there's a chance that we get this pair. Okay, they're already on the right position, so the two are on the not on the right position, so we need to do the second algorithm. So I'm gonna explain the second algorithm. So the second algorithm, you need to remember when and why you're gonna use it. So when you're gonna use the algorithm, so this piece is on the not on the right position, so we should be on this position, so you need to switch these two. So that's the second algorithm. So what's the purpose of using the second algorithm? To switch both sides. That's it. That's the thing you need to remember. Okay, so we're gonna do it. So the first algorithm, why you're gonna use it, when and why. So you need to shuffle all the three sides not on the right position. That's the algorithm we're gonna use. So if we have this case, we have already two pair and both two corners are not on the right position, so we need to use this. So we need to switch these two. So we're gonna do the algorithm L down, L down, L down, L down, L down. Do it 7 times. Like that, you solve the Rubik's Cube.